Definitely things had changed. It's been a little bit more than 6 weeks since I've been the last time in this spot, and in the meantime we had some floods, some really serious rains, and yeah. You can see this by the water level. Hopefully it won't rain while I'm fishing here, or the river won't get higher, because now already it's kind of risky to go fishing in that spot over there when I'm planning to fish today. Hope that I can reach it. That was already an asp. I think that I will just take one of my rods and already make a few casts while I'm walking. Today I took with me 2 rods just because I don't have any idea where I will be fishing. I'll try this handmade lure because it's having some yellow on its sides and should be more visible in these conditions, considering that it's still quite dark and the water it's not as clear as it usually is. So let's just give it a try. Already had a hit. That was nice. Yes. Oh, nice. I'm not very sure what's this, but hopefully it's an asp. I haven't caught one asp in 6 weeks. No, that's a zander. That's kind of strange because definitely I wasn't expecting a zander going that fast. Thanks, buddy. Okay, so this is the hot spot. Let's give it a try with the first cast. The spot is looking really good with some big currents. Whoa, nice. Hopefully some asp will be in this area. No, my lure just got tangled. Come on. I really want to catch some nice asp. It's been 6 weeks since I caught my last asp. That was a hit. Oh, what's going on? It's been 6 weeks since I caught my last asp, and I just don't remember when was the last time when something like this happened. Perhaps during the lockdown. Yes, yes. Oh, that was a nice hit. I don't have any idea what fish is this, but that's a nice fish. I think that could be a catfish instead. No, and that's a huge carp. That thing, it's just huge, and I don't have any idea how I can pull that fish out of there. I'm just coming to this direction because somehow I just need to pull out my net. Even though, stop, I'm not sure if that fish will fit into this net. Come on up. At least show yourself. Yeah, that's a big one. Hopefully I can pull this fish out, even though I see that it's really big, and I don't want to lose this fish because that lure over there, it's a lure that I made, and I just don't want to lose it. It looks like, no, it's not in the mouth as I was thinking. Instead, no, it's in the mouth. Come on, buddy, just come here and I will set you free as fast as I can. Come on up. That's a big carp, and on this setup definitely it's giving me a good fight. No, that's a piece of wood there on my line. And I have my big net in my car because I was quite sure that I will come here and only catch some asp, or at least I was hoping to catch some asp, but as you can see, whoa, that's a big guy. That's a big guy. Is that the biggest carp that I ever got? I just don't see how I can fit that fish in this net. I just don't want my lure to get stuck in the net. That was close. That was really close. Let's try the same trick again. Yeah, it's in. Just have a look. This guy, it's really big, and I'm quite sure that this is the biggest carp that I ever caught. Now I will just release this guy. Whoa. Thanks a lot, buddy. That was a good fight. Yes, yes, and this must be an ASP. The fish that I came for. Oh, yeah, I really missed some ASP. And this guy too came on the same lure that I made. Oh, it's so nice to catch them again. Just don't move, buddy. I don't want to do any harm to you, especially in this area. Here we go. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Nice. That's nice. I wasn't expecting this when I started the session this morning, but already got 3 species. All 3 of them were caught with some of my lures. That's just great. Now it's raining, but hopefully it will stop, and hopefully I will catch some more ASP. Now I will just insist in all this area, from that point over there up to that point over there. I will just fish and move, fish and move. I'm not even careful anymore because I'm soaking wet with that carp. I got water everywhere, so I can fish quite relaxed because I'm all wet. So let's hope that there will be some more fish, some more ASP. Oh yes, that was nice. And this guy hit another lure, not the same one. Again, a handmade lure, and yeah, more or less the same size, perhaps even smaller than the previous one. I won't make any photo with you, any picture, but it was really nice to have you. And again, catching fish on your own lures, it's just great. Thanks a lot. Yes. Nice. Again, I was going almost top water with this lure, and whew, that was nice. That was really nice. The water is not very clear, and perhaps the color also made a difference. Thanks, buddy. I've been fishing for a little bit more than an hour, all this area with 7 or perhaps 8 different lures without getting any single bite. So now it's time to change, and I will go for a second and a third spot, and after that if I still have some time, I think that I will just get back here, hopefully for another hour or something like this, to give it a try for some ASP. But now I'm really curious to see the second and the third spot. Hopefully there will be some ASP in there. Yeah, it's good that I had them with me. Now, time for the second spot for today. The water is quite high, so the spot should be good. The color of the water is not the best, but hopefully there will be some ASP in this area. I can already see that somebody else was fishing here. Oh, this is not a friendly spot, but let's hope. If I'll catch some big fish, I don't know. We will see. I already have the lure on, so let's give it a try with the first cast. The hopes were quite high, but it looks like nothing. Yes, that was nice. Now I'm not very sure how I will pull this fish out. Also because it's looking like a good ASP. Yeah, that's a nice ASP. Ooh. Let's see. And the good part is that also this one was caught with one of my lures, so yeah, that's nice. Let's see how I will be able to get this fish out of there, because it's extremely slippery, everything in this area. And now I'm going down. Come on, I really want a photo with you. Come on. Yes. Now let's see, how will I get back up? Okay, so I will just move over there to make a quick picture. Thanks a lot, buddy. You just gave me a great hit. Thank you. Not the best release, but thanks a lot. Okay, that's all with the second spot. I've been fishing for a little bit more than 10 minutes after that ASP. Haven't got any bites, so now I will just try to reach the third spot. Even though I don't think that I will be able to fish there, because I think that it's underwater. So I'll just go to the third spot after. Oh, that thing moves just great. So let's go for the third spot now. Hopefully for the third. If not, I'll just go back to the first of them. Back in the first spot. As I was expecting, the third spot was unreachable, completely underwater, so the time that I have left for fishing, I will be insisting in this area. I was hoping to throw some soft baits in this area for some zander, but now I see some wind, so I'm not that sure about that. I will see later. Yes! No! That thing came off and felt like a big asp. Ha! Too bad. Yes! Oh! No! I was hoping that this here will be some big asp. Instead, it's a mullet, a fold hooked mullet that for a second gave me some big hopes. Just chill. Thank you. Yes! Nice! Just the perfect way to end a session. This here will be the last fish for today because my time is off. I just had a great session, so this is the end of this video. Returning to the first spot. Looks like it was a good idea. So, thanks a lot, buddy. This is the end of this video and the end of a good session too. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.